Welcome back. Welcome back. So today we have deals at Home Depot, one at Lowe's, and then the rest Amazon. And yeah, we'll go ahead and jump right in. So here we have Home Depot bestseller, Electrician's Milwaukee screwdriver, lineman's plier, and wire stripper hand toolkit 3-piece, 31% off. Sorry, $31 off, 55% off, $24.88. Seems pretty solid. It's like about $8 per tool here, and Milwaukee is obviously no joke when it comes to tools. So, seems like a pretty decent deal. Milwaukee at Home Depot. Milwaukee at Home Depot. Next, some more Milwaukee. Some really good deals on Milwaukee. This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18V Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless 4.5-inch and 5-inch grinder and starter kit with 5 amp hour battery and charger. It's $149, even $229 off, 61% off. And for M18 fuel to be $149 for a grinder starter kit with battery and a charger, that feels like that's a Craftsman price. That's a every other tool brand price, but this is the Milwaukee M18. So I mean, Milwaukee can be very expensive. They do have deals here and there, but this one feels like a super solid deal. $149 for a 5-hour amp battery, M18 plus a charger. I mean, you could do worse. Next, more Milwaukee M18 Fuel Gen. Gen 2 18V lithium-ion brushless cordless mid-torque 1/2-inch impact wrench F-ring with 5 amp hour starter kit as well. $189 even, $240 off, 56% off. Again, Milwaukee can be pricey, but this feels like a super solid deal. And then some DEWALT here, 20 volt max, ToughSystem lithium-ion, 6-tool cordless combo kit. It says $1,400 value, but it's $499 even. Saying $250 off, 33% off. And then just quick math for these type of tool kits. So it's $500, but you're getting the ToughSystem. And you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different tools and 2 batteries and a charger. So 6 different tools. And they're like, obviously, if you this is a starter kit or a kit that if you're not into a line already, or even if you are and you want to try a different line and you have the money, $500 for 6 different tools. You're getting each one of these tools for less than $100, and that for the tools feels like just a deal on its own. But then you're also getting, of course, some batteries, but really you're getting this ToughSystem. So again, great deals right now at Home Depot. Skip over onto Lowe's. I only have one tool, but I was talking about these a few videos ago. $698 for a Kobalt dual foot inflator engage. And yeah, everyone needs one of these, especially if you have a little air compressor. Fill the air on your tires. $698, and it is Kobalt. So it seems like a pretty decent deal. For $7, it's over 50% off. What is that? 60% off, 66% off. That's crazy. So Lowe's, this dual foot inflator and gauge. Moving on to Amazon. This DEWALT's Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set, 142 piece, 1/4 and 3/8 inch drive. And normally I would only put deals on this that I go over that are at their best price or really close to a good deal. This was more of an example, but plus it has a $9, almost a $10 coupon. But it's showing 36% off, $99. Feels like a decent price for a Mechanics toolkit, and it is. You get an extra $10 off, so it's about $90. Of course, according to the price history, this one shows wow, definitely 7 years of history. It's gone down to $80 before, and it hovers around $100, about $80 for a while a few years ago, and it's only gone up in price recently. But with that $10 off, it comes back down to some of the lower prices that it's been. But just kind of as an example, it is DEWALT. It's not a terrible deal. Next, Crescent 10-inch adjustable black oxide construction wrench, 58% off, $14.96. I am a fan of Crescent. Price history showing best price. It averages normally over $20 easy, probably about $25. and it's on sale for $14.96. So $10 off a $25 tool. It's a huge discount. This 58% is accurate. Continuing, this was on one of the videos before, but it's still on sale. So just a reminder, Makita Plunge circular saw with stackable tool case and a guide rail, $462.99. Super expensive. I'm not making a sale here, but it is at its lowest price, and it is Makita, $462.99. We'll fly through Bosch one piece 7/64 inch by 6-inch extra length aircraft black oxide drill bit for applications in light gauge metal, wood, and plastic. $219. And let's look at the price history. Showing $219 is the best price, and it averages about $8. So it's that, what is that, 75-80% off of this drill bit. So had to include it. Probably very specific. I don't know who would need it, but $219, it's a steal. It's a steal of a price. Maybe just get it for kicks. Next, GEARWRENCH extra long universal convertible retaining ring pliers, $41.58, 10% off. Interesting looking tool. It is GEARWRENCH though. Price history showing best price. This averages in the last year, what is that, about $45, and before that about $55, but it is down to its lowest price, $41.58 for this GEARWRENCH universal convertible retaining ring pliers. Next, Capri tools, 1/4-inch drive universal socket set, 3/16, 9/16 inch SAE 7-piece. Always Capri tools are, maybe they just have an excellent photographer, I don't know, but these always look like pieces of art. Lowest price in 30 days, 20% off, $27.99. Price history showing best price history of about a year. Averages about $33, and it is down to its lowest price at $27.99. Next, Williams 19mm stubby reversible ratcheting combo wrench, 12-point. Haven't heard of Williams, but the price and just from the picture looks like a quality tool. Looks like a quality brand, and country of origin Taiwan. So as far as I know, tools from Taiwan are excellent. Or Taiwan's not known for making. It's not the same as made in China. Taiwan has, I believe, quality tools when they make their tools. $17.90, 20% off. Let me know if you know about Williams, but I'm assuming it's a quality brand. Showing best price, it averages in the last year or so about $23, so $6 off of where that's been. Next, Mayhew tools, Mayhew 6-piece long TORX insert socket bit set, $43.74. Have heard of Mayhew, definitely quality brand. $43.74. Showing best price, history of over a year, and it averages about $50, $55 roughly over the last year, and it's down to $43.74. So solid price. Next, VEVOR wood lathe chisel set, 3 pieces woodworking turning tools, includes square, round, and diamond carbide blades, 7 and 0.87 inches. Comfortable grip handles, wood chisel set with wooden box for turning pens or small blank. Limited time deal, 24% off, $30.59. If you're into woodworking, this looks nice. I don't know what they're for, but they look nice. Oh, there you go. That answers my question. Square cutter, diamond cutter, round cutter, $30.59. Showing best price, history of over a year, averages about $37, going up maybe a little bit higher than that. It's just $36 here, but it's down to $30.59. So decent discount on these, definitely at its best price. Next, Jonard tools, again, brand I haven't heard of, although this looks pretty cool. I like the color, and if pictures are worth 1,000 words, it looks like a quality tool. Jonard tools, 1,000 digital clamp meter, 1,000 volt, 1,000 amp TRMS multimeter with 45mm clamp. Non-contact voltage tester measures AC/DC voltage, current, continuity, frequency, capacitance. Whoa, $115.87. So pretty pricey. Jonard tools, price history is showing that it's at its best price, only has a history of about a couple of months. And in those couple of months, it's averaged about 137 bucks. It's down to 150. So take that with a grain of salt. Only a couple months of history. Next, Ego 2-pack, 56 volt, 5 amp hour battery with upgraded fuel gauge. These are the 3rd generation. $401.44 for 2 batteries. Ugh, sounds super expensive, but these are huge, huge batteries, 56 volt, 5 amp hours, so about $200 each. According to the price history, it does show them at their best price. Only about 3 months of history, and they've averaged about $430, but they are down to their lowest price at $401. Next, some DEWALT deals. DEWALT 20 volt max brushless SDS rotary hammer, tool only with DEWALT piece rock carbide SDS plus hammer bit set. All right, $233.76. According to the price history, that's its best price, and this has a history, pretty solid history of about 4 years, and this tool has averaged, I would say, more recently, in the last 2 years, about $320, maybe about 300 bucks. In the last few months, averaging about probably like 250, but it is down to 233, which is at its best price on Amazon at least. Next, DEWALT 20 volt max brushless SDS rotary hammer, tool only. What's the difference between these two? This is the tool only. 233 versus 299. This is the XR. Let's see, the 20 volt max brushless 20 volt SDS rotary hammer. This comes with some carbide. Yeah, whoa. If this is the same tool, this feels like a way better deal as DCH273B. Oh, tool only. This one's saying tool only, but it's showing a picture of a battery and a charger. So, little interesting. $299.63 rotary hammer, tool only. You get 20 volt battery pack. Price history is showing that this is at its best price, $299.63. And this also has about 4 or 5 years of history where it's averaged easy over 380 bucks for most of that time, about $380. And then more recently, it's come down in price to 300 to 299. So pretty decent discount, definitely at its best price that it's been on Amazon. Next, DEWALT 20 volt max XR brushless cordless 4.5 inch, 5-inch variable speed paddle switch grinder, also tool only, $202.89. This is the XR 20 volt brushless, showing that it's a good deal, not its best price, only about 2-3 months of history. And this looks like it went down in price at the end of December to $202, and it's just gone back up to $260, but it's back down to $202 on Amazon. Next, a little bit away from tools, although this is like the oldest, one of the oldest tools, a fishing rod. Zepco 33 cork reel and fishing rod combo, graphite rod with cork handle, fishing reel, bite alert, 2848, 6.5 foot spin cast. Fishing reel, fishing sounds like fun. I want to get into fishing. Feels like a great pastime with my son. Price history wise, looks like for a few years it was just below 35 bucks, and then of course recently it's gone up and down like crazy, maybe because fishing is becoming more of a pastime since the end of COVID. Between 61 and 28 bucks, but it is down to its best price. $28 is the lowest this fishing reel has gone on Amazon, so this would be the time to get it. 28 bucks doesn't seem so crazy. And then we have this Corsair IQ Link H100 LCD liquid CPU cooler, 240 millimeters, 2.1 inch IPS LCD screen. Has an LCD screen right there. This is a CPU cooler for computers. For AMD AM5. AMD is the brand. AM5 is the type of chipset. I think that's the newest AMD chipset. 99 bucks for Corsair, so 50% off. That's an excellent deal. Of course, Corsair has to make some pretty pricey stuff, and this is excellent coolers. I think I have a Corsair cooler for my i7 Intel computer from 2015. I need a new computer. Not going to happen. $99.99. And actually, we'll take a moment to look at some Woot deals just to see what they got. And this one's already catching my eye. This DEWALT 12-volt max 5 amp hour lithium-ion battery. This is the battery by itself. $50, 37% off. This feels like a decent price. $50 for a 5 amp hour. I feel like I was paying this price. And I think DEWALT and Craftsman are owned by the same company. So maybe that's why they're the same price. But I was going to say, this feels like the price for a Craftsman battery. Then again, they're just batteries. But that feels like a decent deal. $50 for this DEWALT. Let's look at some of these other ones. Haven't heard of Manu Sage 20-volt cordless 2-speed power drill kit, $23. Tekpo 20-volt cordless blower sweeper with battery and charger, $49. Some more Manu Sage. At this ratchet wrench set, $35. Greenworks 40-volt axial blower kit for $119. Burnzomatic Duracast 400 torch, 4000 torch, $36.65. Solar power banks, 20,000 milliamps. That's pretty huge. Between $29 and $49. Some Haichika 18-volt reciprocating saw kit with battery and blades, $40. 33% off the reference price. That's pretty legit. Lion Energy, haven't heard of them, but Safari ME refurbished black, $500. And let's keep looking here. Makita. 5/32, 6 inch SDS plus bit, $568, 50% off for a Makita bit. Yes, please. Let's see. VacMaster 6-gallon wet dry shop vacuum, $59.99, 25% off. And what else do they got here? Welding chipping hammer, $11.99. Craftsman 3000 watt gas powered portable generator, $619. Let's see, what else do they got here? Let's look at all the tools and gardens. What else? Some outdoor tools here, $99 for these outdoor patio heaters. That seems like a steal. Am I out of sorts here? $99 for an outdoor heater, 45,000 BTU premium outdoor patio heater. All right. Sunjo Watt electric patio heater, $80. $150 square gas fire table, $150, 50% off, 47% off, 79% off. This Sun Villa slatted steel fire pit. It's normally $800, 79% off. No way. I don't believe it. I wish there was a price history on these. I don't believe it. All right, $169.99, 80% off. Traeger grill, $1,200. Solo stove grill, $189. Emerald Lagasse Southern Cooker portable grill, $99, 71% off. These, I won't go through these all, but I just want to give everyone. I love Woot. I've bought a few things on here. Sometimes they take a little bit longer, maybe to get shipped to your place. But if it's a great deal, who cares how long it takes to get shipped, as long as it's not something ridiculous. But you know what? I'll leave it at that. Happy shopping, happy deals, happy Wednesday. And if you find these useful or you find this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps a lot. I appreciate everybody. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your